Rare and unique birds exist on every continent on the planet. Human encroachment has endangered some of these species, while others only exist in specific habitats. Subscribe to the channel, keep watching to learn about the 10 rarest birds that still live on the planet today. So let's begin. Jabiru. This large stork is native to wetlands and riparian areas throughout Central and South America. They were considered near threatened in the 1980s due to overhunting, but their population has since stabilized. Jabiru birds have distinctive black heads and necks, white feathers on their bodies, and a red pouch at the base of their necks. Jabirus form lifelong bonds with their mates and seek high places to build their nests. These birds often build nests and hunt in large groups. Jabirus prefer to eat fish and will wade into shallow waters to hunt for them. However, they will also eat snakes, insects, and even mice. Galah. These members of the cockatoo family sport bright pink feathers on their breasts, faces, and necks. They are only found in Australia, although they are relatively common within grassy areas and woodlands. Galahs often gather in large groups and even mingle with other species of birds. They will forage in large numbers for the seeds and leaves they depend on for food. Ivory-Billed woodpecker. These birds are considered critically endangered, and experts estimate there are fewer than 50 mature adult ivory-billed woodpeckers remaining. Scientists thought the species was extinct in the 1990s. However, unconfirmed sightings have given researchers hope that these rare birds may still exist in the forests and swamps of the southeastern US and Cuba. Kakapo. The kakapo is another of New Zealand's rare birds. For millions of years, the kakapo had very few predators. However, that changed as other animals were introduced to the island nation and started hunting kakapos, which greatly reduced their numbers. These large, flightless birds are also nocturnal, emerging at night to forage for fruits, seeds, and plant shoots. Despite being unable to fly, Kakapo can climb trees. Philippine eagle. This bird is native to the Philippines, where it is the country's national bird. The Philippine eagle is critically endangered, however, and experts estimate that fewer than 500 remain. These rare birds are among the world's largest species of eagles. They can reach heights of 3 feet, with wingspans of 6.5 feet. Philippine eagles can be recognized by their distinctive brown and white crest, which circles their heads like a mane. Kagu. These birds are native to the Pacific island of New Caledonia. Kagu birds inhabit a small part of the island, preferring to live and hunt in rainforests or shrublands. They are considered endangered, with fewer than 1,000 adults estimated to remain in the wild. Kagu birds are recognized by their distinctive crest feathers. These birds are flightless carnivores and search the forest floor for worms, insects, and lizards. These rare birds are the only species with nasal corns, which prevent them from inhaling dust and debris as they use their beaks to forage for food. Red-headed vulture. These fierce-looking birds are mostly found in India, Nepal, and Bangladesh, although their numbers are declining. Despite their appearance, red-headed vultures are not aggressive and will abandon their meal if intimidated by other birds. In the sky, red-headed vultures have impressive flying abilities. Their mating ritual includes spectacular mid-air displays where two birds will dive, swoop, and twist together. Toco toucan. These birds are native to areas of Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, and Bolivia, where they inhabit shrublands, savannas, and some forest territory. Their distinctive beaks are hollow, but feature sharp edges that the Toco toucan uses to bite into fruit, insects, and even small reptiles. Toco toucan's beaks are brightly colored and can account for 1/3 of the toucan's body length. They also have blue feet, which feature 2 backward-facing toes, which allow the Toco toucans to easily grasp tree branches. Spanish Imperial eagle. Native to Spain and parts of Portugal, the Imperial eagle is Spain's national bird. These birds are also vulnerable to extinction, and experts estimate there are only about 1,000 remaining in the wild. Spanish Imperial eagles avoid humans and prefer to build nests in tall pine trees. These birds possess dark brown feathers that may occasionally feature lighter brown or rust-colored accents. They can be recognized by a white band of feathers across their shoulders. California Condor. Boasting a wingspan of up to 9 feet, the California Condor is the biggest bird in North America. These birds have been in existence for at least 40,000 years. However, there are fewer than 100 mature adult condors remaining, making them critically endangered. These birds mate for life and find nesting spots along cliffsides or inside caves. Their diets consist primarily of carrion, and they will travel in the air for miles in search of animal carcasses. We do not claim that our list is perfect. It is just these birds that caught our attention. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and expand your horizons with us.